Well, hi guys, welcome to another Take a Look Tuesday. It's a chance for you to come inside my arty world and see what I'm up to. As you can probably see, I'm in my garden. My garden has become my studio this week, and I will show you why. I'm basically making a lot of mess and making use of the sunshine to dry things off. Let me turn the camera around. So this is my sort of splat area. This is, basically I'm doing all the seeds that will go inside the tent. This is one of the smaller ones that is drying in the sunshine, and as you can see there is paint splats everywhere and a few footprints, and it's even on the dog. And then up here towards my studio, so these are gradually getting larger, all balancing on things like the saucepans and yeah, so I've been splatting them. These are all being painted with fluorescent neon paints, which basically means that when it's set in the dark tent and I use UV lights, they will glow in the dark. That is my plan anyway. So yeah, my studio. So here, let me show you over here. So these are ones, here's ones I prepared earlier. There is a whole load in here. There's 36 altogether at the moment, but then there's also going to be these ones painted, the little ones, and over here there's some that haven't been covered yet with paper mache, and some that have, but are waiting for being painted. So these are all stickers. There's 2 stickers per sheet, and those are going to go on those ones over there to create the sort of splatty spots. So this has just been splattered and sprayed and is drying. So yeah, that's what I'm up to at the moment. Basically, it is 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks until I install my show. So next Tuesday, when I tune in with you again, I will be at college in the gallery space, starting to bring things together and starting to sort of see how the work fits in the space. My plan and hope is that all these seeds will be finished and I'll have transported them there by then. I don't know how many carloads it's going to take. Yeah, but having lots of fun, making lots of mess, enjoying the sun, getting slightly high on spray paint fumes. Yeah, it's great fun. So yeah, I will see you this time next week. Take care. Bye.